Hello, Chevra, Yom Shlishi for Parshas Toldot. And in this portion of the Parsha, we read the story about Yitzchak digging wells and the Plishtim filling up and blocking those wells. Over and over, 3 times. And it's not just a little game of back and forth, I dig the well, you fill the well. Rather, Yitzchak is digging the wells, and the Ramban says that represents a future digging, a future building of the Beis HaMikdash. One well is dug, one Beis HaMikdash is built, the Plishtim destroy it. The second well is built, the Plishtim destroy that as well, and then the third Beis HaMikdash is built. And the Ramban explains how each of the names of the wells allude to the issues that arose during that time of the Beis HaMikdash. But the digging of the well, l'chayra, is not the same as the building of a Beis HaMikdash. Digging is removing the dirt. It's not building an edifice. And I would suggest the answer is as follows, based on a story that I love telling over. It's a story from my youth that means a lot to me. It was Cleveland, Ohio, 1977. The storm and the winter of 77 were really ferocious, even by Cleveland standards. Probably 2 feet of snow. School was canceled, if you can believe it. And of course, my mother didn't want all the 3 little Spero boys home. So she asked my father, wherever you go, please make sure to take the boys with you. My father put on his big coat and his Russian hat and his boots. He opened the door swung open, and he began to walk towards the car. His big feet in the huge mounds of snow. And now it was my turn. I put on my little coat with my little boots, and I thought to myself, how am I going to get to the car? The snow is so high. And then I looked down, and I saw my father's huge footprints. And I put my little feet in his big footprints, one by one, until I made it to the car. We are not asked to dig new wells. We are just meant to put our little feet into the wells that have been dug before us, into the incredible efforts of our parents and grandparents for generations, for thousands of years before us. And if we do that, we'll be Zoichim It's Hashem very soon to carry on that Messiah to binyan by a Shlishi b'mhei Rabbi Amenu. Have a great day.